there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Party Puffins Stamp Set, which is featured in the new 2021 Stampin' Up catalogue. Here is the stamp set. It is so cute for all ages. And we're going to be making this little gift box. Just a small gift box, but will fit in some cute little treats, I believe. So we're going to use polished pink cardstock, and the cardstock that we're using measures 8 inches by 4 1/4. So let me show you how I made it. Bring in your Simply Scored scoring tool or your the scoring blade on your trimmer, and on the long side make your first score at 3 1/2 and then your next one at 4 1/2. So 3 1/2 and 4 1/2. Then turn it onto the portrait side and score it at 1 inch and then 3 1/4 inches, just there. That's all the scoring you need to do. And then fold and burnish your score lines. One. This is a very easy box to make. It's actually one of my go-to boxes, I have to say. So all you're going to do now is bring in your scissors and you're just going to cut these two middle squares out. We're not going to cut them out, you're just going to cut up. So you're going to cut the horizontal line to that portrait line. So back up to here, back into there. Now you can wedge a little bit if you like, just to make the box go together a little bit easier. I will do that. You don't have to, but I do think it makes it just sit that little bit easier. And then go. And then all you simply have to do is bring in these two small tabs, fold them up to here, and then bring in your box, and that's it made. If you want to, you can make a little indentation here so you can see the front of the box, but it's really not necessary. So let's put some tape down first of all on these ones. I'm going to use my tear and tape today. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. She says hopefully it'll come off. Chevy, don't start barking. My dog always waits till there is a video being made to start barking, I tell you. This tear and tape does not want to come off for me today. Don't know why it doesn't want to work, but it doesn't want to work. Here we go. It's like it knows. Doesn't want to behave. Okay, so bring up that one to match, then bring up this one. That's it, into there. Now, I always put my tear and tape on in here and then fold that to the back, so I know that that seam there is going to be the back of my box. So let's see if this tear and tape is going to work appropriately for me this time. That's better. Then fold that up like that. And that's the little box made. Easy peasy. So you can see I've got a little tag on here, and that's made with the tailored tag punch. And I've used another nice bright colour, the Coastal Cabana, that one there, and I've already gone ahead and cut that one out. And I've got a piece of Daffodil Delight, which I've cut already from one of the scallop shaped framelits. But I'm going to go ahead and do this stamping here now. So I'm going to bring in the Party Puffins stamp and the Memento ink. And stamp him out. He is a very cute stamp. Now, my circle, as you can see, is probably just going to cut the top of the little bobble off his hat, but it's okay. We can cope. So that's going to go around like that. And then I'm also going to do a little bit of a stamping for the You're the Best. I'm using Coastal Cabana. I'm just going to cut that out. You don't need a die for that one. There you go. Those out of the way. Bringing in my mini boss, my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Cut that out now. I really like using this little machine. So handy. And like I said, this circle die cuts a little bit off the top of his bobble, but it was either the hat or the feet, his little feet, so I wanted to keep his little feet. So that's why I did that, if you're wondering. Or you could make it bigger and use a bigger die. There we go. And there it is. And a little bit of colouring with my blends. So I've got blends here in, I've got the polished pink blend. So I'm going to use a little bit of the light polished pink just up in here, just to go around his little hat. And I'm going to use my Daffodil Delight in here. And then I'm going to put his dark for his little beak there. Just going to go over that one again with the light. A bit more shading. I'm going to go back over in here, make it a bit darker as well. The dark. And I've got Old Olive here for the rest of his colourful beak. And some more Old Olive down here for his little feet. I know that they don't have this is not the right colour, but you know, the crafting here can go with whatever colour. Oops. Colouring was a little bit rough there, Mary. Pop that on. Okay, and then cut out the sentiment. This, like I said, is one of my go-to boxes because it comes together so easy. Kind of pop up a couple of dimensionals on the back of that one. Pop that up. And our little tag is right here, so that's going to go on there with the dimensional again. I really like this Coastal Cabana against the polished pink. I love the bright pop. And these tailored tags, they are absolutely fabulous. And to finish it off, we've got some of the beautiful polished pink ribbon. I love this new in colour ribbon. It is just, oh, I can't say enough good things about it. Really, it is good. Now, I'm not going to put my glue all the way to the top, and I'll show you why in a moment. So let's pop this on here. Just positioning it closer to the bottom there. I want that to be straight. Yep. And I used these tags come with those cute little that cute little cutout as well, which I've cut in Daffodil Delight. There we go. Ugh. Yeah. All right, now to bring in my ribbon. So I'm going to bring this around the back here. I might just cut this off before I take a guess. And I'm going to loop it through this, the little tag. That's why I didn't bring my glue all the way up to the top. So I can just, because I wanted to be able to see that little pop of colour, the Daffodil Delight. That's why I've looped the ribbon through. I'll just have to poke that one through there. Just got to find my little pokey tool. You use whatever you've got. Your fingers might be working better than mine. In fact, they probably will be. So I'm seriously making this look harder than it is. It really isn't hard. It all comes together nicely. There we go. And then I just did a little bow just to finish it off. And if you want to, you can put a little bit of glue behind that. The rest of that, or a little a glue dot behind the back there. It's up to you if you think you need to. Here we go again with the bow. Maybe I should give up doing bows, but I love them. Here we go. No more fussing with the bow, Mary. Just accept that that's how it is right now. And then finally, last but not least, these are our beautiful in colour jewels. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. I might even love them more than the ribbon, but maybe not. And I'm just going to pop them on here. Whatever colour you feel you want to use, you can use the pink. I'm using this is the pale papaya colour, I think, just here. But go for whatever you like. If you can get the glue, if you can get it to come off. Clearly, I'm not capable at the moment. There we are. And there you have it. There is the cutest little box. Easy peasy, really simple to make using the Party Puffins Stamp Set. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like to learn more about the products that I've used, just click the description bar below where I have listed everything, and they'll take you to my Stampin' Up store. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.